This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti G37 louder using easy methods. We will explore several straightforward modifications that can significantly enhance your car's exhaust note. You'll discover how different components affect the sound and learn about cost-effective options to achieve that desired aggressive roar. Get ready to transform your G37's auditory presence with minimal effort and maximum impact, making every drive more exhilarating. One of the simplest and most budget-friendly ways to make your G37 louder is a muffler delete. This involves removing the factory muffler, allowing exhaust gases to flow more directly. The result is a noticeable increase in exhaust volume, often described as a raw and aggressive tone. It's a modification that can be completed in a few hours by a professional, offering an immediate and dramatic change to your car's sound profile. Another effective and relatively easy method is a resonator delete. The resonator's primary job is to reduce certain sound frequencies, so removing it can add a deeper, more pronounced growl to your G37's exhaust. This option often provides a good balance, increasing volume and enhancing tone while potentially minimizing the drone that some experience with a full muffler delete. It's a popular choice for a refined yet louder sound. For a more comprehensive and refined sound upgrade, consider an aftermarket catback exhaust system. These systems replace everything from the catalytic converters back, including new piping, resonators, and mufflers. They are engineered to optimize exhaust flow and produce a distinct, performance-oriented sound. While a larger investment, a quality catback system provides a significant increase in volume and a rich, deep tone that truly transforms your G37's auditory experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.